Oh my word. Oh, that was perfect. Right by that pad, let it sink. Boop. Okay, we got a fish on? We got a fish on? Oh, yeah. Oh my gosh. 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 Oh my god. There we go. What is happening, guys? Hold up, I gotta turn. Okay, Slane here with you today, and we got the creek boat in the back. We got a little pond mission coming. This is my first time fishing with the creek boat, and I don't have a trolling motor or anything. All I have is just a tiny little paddle and a pond full of bass. So I'm gonna take it down to the little pond, and we're gonna crank them. Doing a little frog fishing this afternoon. Let's just put it like this. These bass are screwed. So before too long, we're gonna be dragging this 115-pound boat down to the pond. Let's get to it. Dang, this thing goes in like no water whatsoever. Oh my word. Oh, that was perfect. Right by that pad, let it sink. Boop. Okay, we got a fish on. We got a fish on. Oh yeah. Sucker's running towards me. Oh, she's trying to come up. She's trying to come up. Don't you do it. Oh my gosh. 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 This is a tank. This is a tank. Oh my gosh. Stay pinned. I'm only got 8 pound. Stay down. Hello. Oh, you're really trying to frame me up, aren't you? Okay, how am I gonna land this guy? Okay, we're gonna take a seat. Oh my gosh. It's barely hooked. Barely hooked. We got him. Oh my gosh. There we go. Solid 4-pounder. Oh my gosh. First fish out of the boat. Oh my gosh, this mama is loaded with bluegill. Oh my gosh. Look at that mouth. That is a bucket mouth. All right, we're gonna dip her back in. There she goes. Yeah! Cinco did her dirty. I knew that was right there, right next to that mat. If you're not fishing a frog, if you're not fishing something that can kind of slither through the mats, push it right through. If you see a little gap, try getting it right in that gap. Usually those bass, they'll be hiding up under any kind of structure. It doesn't matter, moss on top of the water, a bush like that. Structure. If you're getting into bass fishing, throw some structure. You'll catch fish. I promise. You will eventually catch some fish. Rig it weedless. Throw it in the dirtiest stuff you can find. You'll catch some fish. But until next time, the unsuccessful hunters are on the road to success.